Okay, so I'm here with Dileep from Microsoft. Dileep, why don't you go ahead and introduce yourself?
Hi, I'm Dileep Singh. I'm based out of IDC. I work as a program manager in Microsoft. Yep, that's pretty much it.
Excellent. So tell us, what's your area of expertise, particularly lately? What have you been presenting on?
So I've been working on customer service features mainly. From like after Orion, we moved on to customer service. So I've been working on SLAs, entitlement, and all those parameter demos which we showed in keynote and general session. So I was working on them too.
Excellent. So what do you see as the future of customer service?
I see it as very bright.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it. And so interesting thing is we have reached the level where we can compete with our competitors, and the next release is gonna put us ahead of them.
Yeah.
So Parature and Microsoft Dynamics Customer Service, that's gonna gel like really well because they complement us really well.
Excellent.
And when we are going to combine them together, we are going to be an unbeatable force there.
Fantastic. So this is your first Convergence you've been to. What are your thoughts?
It's massive. So I have never been to a Convergence. I've been to like tech readies and stuff, and I thought they were big. And when I came here, I was like, ooh, this is like massive stuff. And the whole keynote, Philips Arena thing, it was like, I was just blown away seeing the magnificence of that.
Yeah, fantastic. So a lot of Microsoft customers and partners attend this event. There's also a lot of customers and partners that naturally don't come along. What would your recommendation be to customers or partners in the future considering coming along to Convergence?
Okay, I think come with an open mind. You already know what you want from this event, but come with an open mind. Try to learn new things because there are people who can tell you about things which you have never imagined you can do with the product. And that's the whole point of coming to such an event. Meet new people, understand what's coming up, and try to make contacts so that if you have any problem, you can reach out to them.
Excellent. So Dileep, in closing, is there anything else you'd like to add?
Okay, so this is what I like to add. So it has been a great year for CRM, transforming from what we were in 2011 to 2013. Leo is going to break the barrier. Leo is going to put us ahead of the competition. And with Vega, we are going to kick ass. So beware, Salesforce. We are coming right at you.
Thank you.